Hey guys, doing a quick check-in with my body, which is how we check in on our mental health, is what is our current state, how am I feeling, what's the body's intelligence saying right now. It's the end of the workday, so I'm doing a specific check-in right now with the Sensi app on, am I ready to be a dad? And so you can see here the screen next to me, am I ready? Again, it's 5 o'clock, I'm about to shut down to go be a dad, so am I ready to be a dad? I swipe the slider, focus on the thought, I'm ready to be a dad, connect to my feelings. I do the gesture. Let's see what it says. And it says I am blocked. It's true, I've got a lot more work still to do. So this is the cool part about this technology and the purpose of being aware that I'm blocked. I can now just go in and bulldoze being a dad, being blocked, which is probably not gonna be a great experience for my kids or my wife or myself. Or as you can see here in Sensi, I can clear the block. So I tap on clear the block. It has a little exercise for us. I tap on it, start the intervention. It starts by saying, how blocked am I? It's like a 6. I got a lot of work. I got a lot happened. A lot of good stuff happened today. It's a good block. It's just that I got a lot of stuff I need to be doing. So I'm gonna make it a 6. Now I'm gonna start the breathing exercise. I tap on start breathing exercise. I inhale in through my nose. Hold it. And then I exhale nice and slow out through my mouth. I'm gonna do this 2 more times. I'll fast forward through this so you get home, don't have to see it. One more. Do I feel more relaxed? Yeah, I do. How intense is it now? It's 1. I feel like the block's pretty extinguished. I feel present. I feel like I could be a dad right now. So I'm gonna give it a 1. Next. Now what you're gonna see is Sensi's measuring my resilience. So it's seeing I was blocked, passed through that, now I'm not. I just gained resilience. So I'm gonna check back in to see if I'm ready to be a dad now. I'm ready to be a dad. Do the gesture. Sure enough, I'm feeling pretty good, so it should say flowing. Let's see. Yep, there we go, flowing. Now I'm gonna go be a dad. I'm gonna be present and not be dragging the historical workload that I have in my mind into being a dad. I'm super excited to be sharing this technology with you guys. If you want early access to this so that you can be more present with your family, your friends, your teammates, perform at a higher level, you can join our weekly group sort of community session where we'll be sharing access to the technology. It's free. And if you wanna go deeper with us in coaching sessions, we also have a mastermind that's also linked below. Join either one. I look forward to meeting you and sharing this technology, getting your feedback so we can make this great for everybody. Take care.